Happy New Year's, y'all. So I'm going to show you how to get this look. If you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by using the Faced Hangover primer, you guys, because my skin is super dry right now. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, you guys. I'm wearing the color 70WY. And then I'm putting a little bit of the Tarte Double Duty Foundation just to light, because it's just a tad bit lighter, and for more coverage where I need coverage, like at the around my chin and jawline pretty much. So I've been doing this lately and it gives me a flawless, very flawless look. I like it. And for highlight, I'm going in with that NYX Duo. It's like a double-ended duo that has, it's called the NYX Sculpt and Highlight Duo. So I'm going in for that just for the highlight part. I didn't use it for the contour though, just the highlight. And blending that in with just a basic cosmetic sponge, you guys. And to set under my eye, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. It's like a banana color. It's okay. I'm not that crazy about it. For cream contour, I'm going in with the Nicka K Chocolate Cream to Powder Foundation. And for eyebrows, I'm using the Milani Cream Brow Gel. I'm just going in with a Fit Me powder just as a transition color for my eye look. And then using the Anastasia Prism palette, I'm going in with the color Parallel, which is just basically a dark brown. And then just using my concealer as a base for the eye color. And for the lid, I'm using Throne, which is like a glittery greenish blue color. Very pretty. For eyeliner, I'm using an Inglot gel liner in the color 77. It's like the blackest liner on earth, you guys. And then a NYX pencil, which is like a flesh tone color for the waterline. That same Fit Me powder just to blend underneath the eye, and then going back in with Parallel on top of that just so it could fade. For mascara, I'm using La Vie mascara from 2S Belle. And then a Black Radiance contour kit to do my powder contour. Taking the gold from the same palette to highlight with, and then I'm going in with my Becca highlighter in the color Opal. Using dark brown liner from NYX for the lips. And Iman Nude is the name of this color by Iman, the lipstick. And then the matte gloss, I'll put the name of it in the description box, you guys. My earrings are from the Essential Shopper on Instagram. They are so cute. Love it. And that's the look, you guys. Thank you for watching. You will be seeing more from me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for rolling with Stone.